Good morning. All right, right now it's 5:09, and I have a 5:30 shuttle. So I'm eating breakfast. They have breakfast downstairs, which this hotel is really good. They have the good breakfast. The breakfast started at 4:30, but somehow I feel lazy to go downstairs for breakfast. Like I know I'm gonna go down there anyway, but I don't know. I'm not into the. I don't know. I just don't want their breakfast. Like you get so tired of getting their breakfast all the time that it just don't feel like getting it. So I'm just gonna eat my own breakfast that I have, and I'm gonna get downstairs and get to the shuttle. Today's a 2-day leg. Sorry, we have 2 legs today. This is the end of my trip. It's a 3-day trip, and I arrived at around 11 a.m. So arrive early. I can do whatever I need to do in the day, or I can sleep and do the rest. But yep, this is my beginning of my day, and I'm so happy it's going home day. Then I have 1 day off and I'm back to work.
So it's what, 6:27, 6:27. We can get an alternate. To weather, we can get an alternate. I don't have a problem with an alternate.
What?
I know you still got to go home. No, so I don't have a problem with getting an alternate.
In LA?
No. LA will be fine. Let me get me a motel in LA. Let me get more credit on top of this.
You're crazy.
So this is breakfast at 6:27. Shrimp and vegetables. Yay. Okay guys, so I am back home. It's now 11 o'clock. I am super tired. It's been a long morning. I'm also today I just got a notification that my packages that I ordered from my online store is gonna arrive today. So I'm gonna take a nap and probably get up around 3 or so, and hopefully that the packages are here and I can pick them up to see what the items that came in. And I'm excited when I order items from my online store. And I'm definitely going to be doing videos of these items and pictures and stuff like that. The sun is out today. It's bright. It's 70 degrees, which I love that. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some things, but right now I need to take a nap. Girl is tired. When I came in, guys, I saw that going on. Like the thing fell down, so I asked for maintenance to come and fix it. So I'm hoping that they don't come during the time that I'm actually taking a nap, because that would have sucked for them to wake me up early before my time. But I like it outside. How nice and warm it is. It feels really good.
Hello. Alrighty, so I've been off for 1 day and I'm back on for another 3-day trip. My report time is at 9:41, so I have to leave my house an hour early so I can be on time. And today I'm so sad, guys, because right now we don't have to bring our flight attendant manual. This is like a big old book that we have to have by the FAA, and now we don't have to bring our flight attendant manual because now they're having these iPads. And I'm so sad that I won't be traveling around with my flight attendant manual, even though she's like so heavy. But it's like she been with me from day one, and it's just a part of me that is just missed it. But yeah, we don't have to bring the flight attendant manual. Some people were like, thank God. I don't want to bring that anymore because it was too heavy and this and that. But I kind of miss it because it has all the information that we need on everything to perform our duties and everything else. So I did post a video, some new items that I add on my website. Definitely check that out. It's like 3 tops that I did a video on, and they're brand new, which I got yesterday. And as soon as I got them, I just did a review on them, and it's up on my website, so you can check that out. My website is www.yesshoneyboutique.com. It also will be in the description box below. So I already packed my bag, and I don't have my uniform to put on, and I have to get something to eat and pack my lunch bag. It's kind of mini pack, but I have to pack it up. So I finished my weight gainer, and I bought a new one at GNC yesterday, so I need to pack that because I realized that I haven't been eating. Like, since lately, I haven't really been eating much. Like, it's like I'm just tired of eating food. I don't know. I guess it's just one of those things that you just don't want to eat food anymore. It's crazy. And it's kind of like a little bit hard at times as a flight attendant to pack for like 4 days or 3 days. Sometimes you don't even know what the heck to pack. And then when you do pack it and you're on a trip, you don't want to eat the food that you pack. So it's like, it's just one of those things that you go through, like every flight attendant go through in life. So I'm gonna pack some of this in case I don't eat my food. At least I'm still getting the calories in. And also I drink water, so yeah. Okay, awesome. I'm eating out now. It's 8 something, and I don't get to my destination until 2 in the morning. And right now it's a little bit cool outside. It's not cold, but just cool. And when I get to my destination, it's gonna be very, very cold. So that's the thing about being a flight attendant, guys, is that your body doesn't never get used to the temperatures, because you may be in one state and it's warm, and you go to another state and it's very cold, or it's snowing at the other state. So your body can never get used to it. And some people, they get really, really sick when they changes different time, when they change different time zone. And some people that are senior enough, that have like arthritis and stuff like that, they just stick to their either the East Coast to do all East Coast stuff, or they do all West Coast stuff. So yeah, you have to keep those factors in mind when you're thinking about being a flight attendant. And a lot of people quit. Like, seriously, a lot of people quit. Like, they're always like, oh, this is my dream job, and finally I get it. And then they don't last for a year. They all quit. So if you're thinking about being a flight attendant, just watch these videos, because I realize that a lot of flight attendant videos, they don't really show you a lot of things that happen behind closed doors. They only show you the glamorous stuff and the flying stuff and stuff like that. And I want to show you guys, but not just show you, but also tell you guys what happened behind closed doors, because we don't really tell you guys that. And then when you guys get hired and you come and you know a flight attendant, you guys really, really see that, oh my gosh, this is really not what they show on their channel. But yeah, we go through a lot behind closed doors. Like, even though I'm leaving my house an hour early and we clocked in 15 minutes before the flight depart, you don't get paid during that time. You don't get paid when you're on the ground. You only get paid when the flight push away from the gate. That's when you start getting paid. So once you're on the ground at the gate, you're not getting paid at all. So that's just free money. And people don't realize that. It's like, you spend so much time away from your house. When you add up all the times and all that kind of stuff, it's not even worth it. When you think about being a flight attendant, it's not worth it at all. Before I became a flight attendant, I was working in the medical field. I was a certified medical assistant, and God just moved me out of that, because I was working there for 9 years, and God just moved me out of that and gave me this job. So it's not something that I thought about being. It's not like I thought about being a flight attendant, or it was my dream job, or anything like that. God just literally put it right in my hands. So yeah, when people ask me, is it hard to become a flight attendant, I was like, I don't really know, because God gave me this job. He literally put it right in my hand, and I was talking myself out of this job. Even when it was time for me to go to the interview, I even went the last minute, because I was like, yeah, flight attendant is not for me, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but the more I do these videos, the more I tell you guys more stuff that happened behind closed doors. But yeah, I think you guys should definitely watch flight attendant videos and see not just all the glamorous stuff, but also the other stuff that's not glamorous. Because it's easy to show you guys the glamorous stuff, but it's very hard to really show you guys really what you will see, the reality versus the expectation. And they're totally, totally different. After clocked in, when I clocked in, I'm gonna have to update my device. And also see if there's any new information that we need to know and stuff like that, and check our emails and all that good stuff, and meet the crew and what position I'm gonna be flying and stuff like that. And not every crew is nice, to be honest. Not every crew is nice. And so far I'm blessed to have okay crews, but not every crew is nice. And literally you have to spend, if you have a 3-day trip or 4-day trip, you have to spend all that time with them. So imagine you have a crew that suck, or just, I don't know, just crazy or whatever. You have to spend all that time with them. It's not like a 9 to 5, so after 5 o'clock you don't see them until the next day. No, you all the time with them. The only time you don't see them is when you go into your hotel room. But on the plane, you have to be in that little area on the plane with them, and you have to communicate with them, because there's certain things that you have to communicate with. So it's, you know, it's crazy. People don't show you that stuff. So yeah, you can be mad all you want, but you guys have to communicate no matter what, even if you're mad. Okay, so I'm on this big bird. Girl, I'm talking to the video. Oh, you're like, wait, you talking to yourself? You're waiting for the clearance to get off, and then we start boarding. So tired.
I haven't done anything yet, and I'm already tired.
Girl, me too.
Ugh. I heard it's been raining in Houston.
Really? Oh, I was
That's what I
my
heard.
umbrella, but I didn't.
Girl, as a flat thing, you must always travel with an umbrella. I have my umbrella in my suitcase for the past 2.5 years until
I took it out once and then
I took it out once, and when I took it out, it was just the other day, and it started getting rust on it. Honey, this thing. They don't give us gloves. Oh, sure. I need to check this up here. Let's make sure that the wheelchairs are here. I haven't fly seat in a long time. So I'm flight attendant seat today, and I haven't flown this position in forever. I try to fly different. I try to fly different positions so I don't forget the things. Even though sometimes you forget a lot of things, but you don't forget. So I try to fly all different positions. Because I have recurring in January, I think, and they asked us some question about C, B, and A position. So he helps out. Yeah. A lot. I'm ready to board whenever they're ready. Oh, I need to say hi to the captains.
Me too.
Let me go say hi. So tired.
Are you guys good to board back there?
I'm ready.
Hey guys, so it's 1:57 a.m. and I just got to the hotel. I'll show you guys what the hotel looks
coming
like.
in, this is what you see: a desk and a couch. Got the window here, and I have the street view. You have the couch there, then you have a TV, a stand, then you go to the kitchen area. You have the microwave, a sink, and a refrigerator, some cupboards. Then you're gonna go to the bathroom. This is what the bathrooms look like. And this is what the bed looks like. Guys, this bed is huge. This is a huge bed. I like it. I like it. And then I have a TV here. And then the area where I can put my suitcase. So that's my room. But yeah, I don't even like these beds. When they give me a huge bed, I don't even take up the whole of the space, only on one side. Like a huge bed with 4 pillows? I can't. Okay guys, so I was in a whole vlog and I think wasn't even on recording. I've just been talking for 30 minutes and didn't realize that this thing wasn't even recording. So I have to start all over again. So basically what I said, I was gonna put my lunch in the refrigerator. I'm gonna go work out real quick, do a 30 minutes workout, and then eat breakfast, which I bring my own breakfast because I didn't want to go downstairs in the morning for breakfast. I don't know, I'm just tired. I mean, it's 2 o'clock in the morning now, and breakfast it ends at 10, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get up in time for that. And I have some products that some people purchased on my website, so I'm just gonna go review that, make sure that I have enough stuff in stock, and check my emails, and then probably go to bed. By that time it's supposed to be 5 o'clock. Yeah. And then this is only a 12-hour layover, so I'm just gonna try to do things really quick on this 12-hour layover, and then I'm back out today in the afternoon for another flight. So today, my flights today is 11 and some change duty day, so it's a long duty day. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get all this stuff done in no time. I'm gonna end this vlog here for tonight, and I'll see you guys in the morning.